Sweetness, he's going to fall off the couch. Sweetness, he's going to fall off the couch. You better hold on to him. Because he's going to fall off the couch. I don't think you can hold on to him with your mouth. There he goes. He's going down. He's going down. He's going down. You gonna pick him up? You're gonna pull him back? Oh, you can't pull him by his head. My goodness. Oh my gosh, maybe you can. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm not helping this effort because this is pretty amazing. Oh my gosh. You did it. You kept him from falling off the couch. That is amazing. What a good mommy you are. Of course, you bit him too, but that's okay. I'll let you slide on that one. Good job, Mommy. Good job, Sweetness. All right. Oh.